So, tita, paano ba
Yes.
nag-start ang bacon and cheese?
Si Bacon and Cheese, matagal na siyang binubrew. Parang, let's say, more than 10 years ago. Yeah, nag-start yon after ako mag-graduate ng college. Sabi ko, gusto kong gumawa ng studio for babies and pets. So, initially, babies talaga yung gusto kong picturean.
What's the name of that photographer? Ann Gillis? Tama ba?
Which,
The Ann Gillis, the one who takes the photos of babies like that.
I,
Pinopost niya yung babies.
parang Babyville. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I'm not sure.
Parang ganun
Parang
yung gusto ko
ganun
sa
yung
baby studio.
baby studio talaga yung gusto kong i-achieve. Tapos during that time, syempre, college graduate, wala pa akong money for a camera. Yeah, wedding photography, ganyan, pero they will just lend me their cameras. And then, ayun, shoot ako, ganyan. So, passion ko talaga ang photography. Yes, bata pa ako, digicam, ganyan.
But your course, when you were still in college,
Ah,
does it have something to do with photography?
Fine arts, advertising. Yes. So, kasama, kain pa rin ang photography. Dinaanan namin siya.
That's so nice.
Yeah.
And then, bacon and cheese started what year?
2015 ako nagkaroon doon ako nag-start mag-plant ng seeds. 2015. Yeah, 2014 ako graduate. 2015 ako nag-start mag-shoot ng weddings.
Okay.
Yes. And then, sabi ko, okay, punta ako ng Japan. Sabi ko, mag-aral ako ng Japan. Kasi, isa rin yun sa dream ko. Gusto ko mag-Japan. And then, mag-ipon ako ng pera for a camera. Tapos doon ako bibili kasi mas mura. So, pupunta ako doon. Nag-aral ako Japanese. 1.5 years. Tapos, yes, aral pa lang yun. And then, after that, saka ako nag-work. Long story short, nagstay ako doon for 6 years and a half. Nakakuha ko ng camera. 6 years na. 6 years na ako na doon. Saka lang ako nakabili ng camera ko, which is the camera that I'm using right now.
Dugot pawis.
Dugot
Literal.
pawis. Literal. Yeah.
But when you started taking photos of her babies,
Yes.
yung talagang yan, was it pre-pandemic, post-pandemic?
I came back to the Philippines 2023 from Japan.
Okay.
So after na, nag-pandemic ako doon sa Japan. And then going back here, sabi ko, syempre, I have to grieve for my life sa Japan. Parang hindi ko alam anong gagawin ko. Sabi ko, magtutuloy ko ba yung translating, tutuloy ko ba, or tutry ko pa ako call center, or kasi yung previous job ko, it has to do with kids. Ganyan. So, I was confused. Ano bang gagawin ko? And then I remember, Bacon and Cheese. Meron akong Facebook page nun, Bacon and Cheese. Oo, sabi ko, try ko nga ulit. Tapos, sobrang sakto lang ng timing because the Gemini, yung owner ni The Gemini and Pet Toshatsu, si Kay, ano kami, elementary friends. Yeah, as in barkada kami until now. Yes, hello. Go ahead po. Yes. Yes, okay lang po. 5 minutes. Ito, si Bob yung pwede natin. Yes. Thank you. Hi there. Sige po. Alright. Alright, it's okay.
So the first one,
Yes,
because of Tita K.
because of Tita K. In-invite niya ako sa, Catchy Cafe, which was organized. Yeah, that was the first time. The first time. Yes.
Oh, that was the first
That was the first time.
Nice.
Yeah, si Catchy Cafe was organized by the Pop Bistro.
Yes,
And Rooftop. Yeah. So the first time I met you was the first photo shoot na nagawa namin for Bacon and Cheese.
That's so nice.
Yes.
I didn't know that. I
Yeah.
thought naman, matagal ka na rin.
Hindi. Just recently lang talaga. Last
I
year.
mean, from 2015, from you doing everything else, and then you have it now.
Yeah.
Galing.
Yeah.
So, what are your
Thank
next
you.
plans? What's the next event mo naman?
Ang next events would be, the next events we have is scheduled July 19-20, si Pet Mundo.
Okay.
We're gonna do it sa Eastwood.
Alright.
Yes. And then the other one, the upcoming one is for Bunnies. Bunny
Yeah,
Community. Neon Pop. Yeah, we're gonna join August 3.
August 3.
Yeah, from 3 p.m. So,
3 p.m. So,
yeah.
everybody, punta kayo.
Punta kayo.
So, after that, you still have
I have like mga home service. I'm trying to venture in sa mga home service. I have one scheduled and I'm gonna see how it works. And then in the future, parang try namin i-offer yung services na yun.
That's really good. At least,
Mm-mm.
ang ang dami na palang nakalive.
Yeah,
Pero
I'm
exciting
excited.
yung sa home thingy.
Yes, I'm
Galing,
excited
galing.
too.
Galing,
Thank
So
you.
it's so nice to know the history of Bacon
Thank you.
and Cheese.
Yes, ang fun lang kasi you guys were part of it.
Oh, thank you, thank you,
Yeah, isa kayo sa mga unang pictures ni Bacon and Cheese.
thank you. At least
Thank you.
talagang ano ka pala, titang-tita ka talaga dito.
Yes.
And Giselle, because Giselle was there.
Giselle was there.
That was the first photo shoot of
Yes.
Giselle.
Really?
Yes.
Oh.
When she was pregnant. Ah, yes,
She was pregnant already that
Yes.
time? Oh, I didn't know.
Yes, she was pregnant.
We didn't know. Oh, bongga.
Kaya
Meron na
hindi
pa.
masyado ano.
Maternity shoot si Giselle.
But
Ayun.
thank you for
Thank
that.
you.
Kwentos. It's so inspiring.
Thank you,
Really.
thank you.
Wish you all the best.
Marami pa. Mahaba pang
Marami yan.
improvements.
Yes. Blessings coming in.
Yeah, same with you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Thank you so much. Thank you, George. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bacon and cheese.